What up, y'all? Today we're going to show you an easy chicken katsu recipe. If you enjoy videos like this, please give a like and a subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, I decided to use chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breasts if you prefer. My chicken thighs were not deboned nor skinless, but you can use skinless, boneless chicken and skip this first step. I don't know about y'all, but I am no master chef, and my knife skills are definitely mediocre at best. But I found using kitchen shears makes removal of the bone easier than trying to use a knife. You definitely want to remove the skin and bone from your chicken so that you can bread it and create that nice crispy skin that I enjoy about chicken katsu. Next step is to take your skinless, boneless chicken and place it inside of a plastic bag so when you go to pound your meat, you don't get raw chicken all over the place. You'll want to make the thickness of the chicken as even as possible, about 1/4 inch. Alright, here comes the easy part. If you find this, I definitely recommend trying this out. It's frying mix for cooking, and you'll most likely find this in an Asian market. You'll want to use this for the first part of your breading station. If you don't like this and want to go a more homemade route, you can try what I used to do before we discovered this, which is roughly 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, and a generous amount of salt and pepper. Remember, the breading station is the only time during a process that you can season your chicken, so don't be shy. Otherwise, it might turn out bland. However, definitely give the frying mix a shot. You will not be disappointed. For the second breading station, we want to use the mixture again. The instructions say to use 500 milligrams of mix, or 2 cups, 750 milliliters of water, or 3 cups, but this makes the mixture good for frying things like tempura, and we want a slightly thicker batter so that the panko can adhere better. So we use 2 cups of the mixture and 2 1/4 cup of water. Again, if you want a more homemade route, just beat eggs and place in a container. Finally, the last breading station is going to be panko with salt and pepper. I'm using honey panko, but you can use whatever panko you want. Just remember to salt and pepper your panko. I can't stress this enough. You don't want your product to end up bland. Once you have all 3 stations set up, then you'll want to use the breading rule to make things more tidy. One hand is for dry and the other hand is for wet. Just dip it in station by station, making sure to press your chicken into that panko. Once you're done dipping panko, you can set it on a tray or straight into the fryer. I make a ton of this stuff, so I just bread all the chicken first and place them into a tray, separating them with wax paper or parchment paper until I finish, then I proceed to fry them. Alright, here we go, frying time! You'll want to place enough canola oil to let the chicken stay submerged in that oil and bring that oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use whatever oil you like for deep frying. Now the trick to getting an extra crispy skin is double frying. Once you've fried your chicken the first time, lay it to rest and then fry it again. The method I use is to fry all the chicken the first time. Then by the time I'm ready for the second fry, the first chicken that I pulled out during the first fry should have rested enough. Fry that chicken the second time until it's golden brown all around. While that's frying, we start our katsu sauce. We like a lot of sauce with our katsu, so just adjust this recipe to suit your needs. Simply place these ingredients in a container. Half a cup of ketchup, 6 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well to fully combine. So let's review. We started off by removing the bone and the skin from our chicken thighs. We went ahead and pounded our chicken until it was thin and even. Set up a breading station, first frying mix dry, second frying mix wet, and last panko breading. We dipped the chicken in each station, remembering to cover all the crevices of the chicken and press the chicken into the panko. We set up a deep frying station with oil level higher than the chicken and double fried our chicken. This is what the double frying does. Makes it super crispy. Listen to this. Let's go ahead and give this a little try. Gotta get a little bit of that sauce in there. Just listen. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Until next time. Later.